हेलो फ्रेंड्स, उस टाइम वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। मैं हूं साहिल और आप देख रहे हैं क्रिप्टो से। तो आज हम बात करने वाले सेफ किटीज टोकन के बारे में। तो सेफ किटीज टोकन एक न्यूली लॉन्च टोकन है, बाइनेंस वेब20 टोकन है जो। तो देखते हैं इनका वेबसाइट। तो इनका वेबसाइट कुछ ऐसा दिखता है। सेफ किटीज 90.9% 99.9% of the supply burned. A community and save million of the species. SafeKit is community-driven DeFi token dedicated to the project protect and preserve uh, endangered animals of our earth. By joining us now, you will be benefit from being involved in shaping of the next generation charities. You will be save lives, and you will release how much your contribution to change the world. So basic thing, you can buy it on PancakeSwap, and also we will check their token monies. But if you are new in this platform, make sure that you invest that money that you can lose. So I'm not a financial advisor, I'm only giving my opinion, so take my words as a advice, not financial opinion. I'm just giving my opinion. Thank you. So token monies. So 1% donated toward the animal saving organization. 1% each transaction will be sent to the organization picked by the community via our governance. 1% locked liquidity forever, and 1% to the finance of expense of kitty's community. 1% goes to the holder. So 4% total tax divided by 4 different communities. So about using blockchain to protect endangered animals. SafeKit is a community-driven fair launch DeFi token for simple function occur during each trade: reflection, liquidity provided, acquisition, brand, and donation to charities. All kitties transaction fees will be redistributed between our community, and the cause is the support. The community has the power to decide. SafeKit governance is based on the principle of ticket holder voting purpose. Charity to the system vote upon and only considered if the voters approve. Roadmap. So check their roadmap. Website launch. They launched their website, as you can see. White paper publication. SafeKit is blockchain technology with white paper demonstration objective and technology. So you can check that contract deployment, roadmap update. Pre-sale SafeKit is 65% of the raised BNB will be pre-sale locked for the PancakeSwap liquidity. Listing on PancakeSwap, 64% raised BNB pre-sale locked for PancakeSwap liquidity. Listing with CoinGecko, CryptoCompare, and CoinMarketCap. Listing with the PancakeSwap website redesigned. Fast burn token camping, marketing camping, launch airdrop camping, and contract audit. So basically that. And cat founders. So you can check that cat. They are all DeFi token devs are hide their identity because of it's DeFi token, decentralized finance. That's why they are hide their identity. But you can check their Twitter and Telegram. They are not hiding their identity. You can also go and check their ask any question if you have any. But you can also join their community on Telegram, Twitter, and you can ask whatever you want to know about them. Frequently asked questions. Some of asked questions that people want to know. SafeKit is governed based on the principle on ticket holder voting. Purpose charity to the system are vote upon and considered the votes approved. How does the transaction donation work, and where you can find them? So you can find them on Telegram, Twitter, Discord, Facebook, and Instagram. So if you want to join their newsletter, here is the newsletter. So you can check the marketing wallet, burn supply, team wallet lock for DXA or contract. Their contract they are listed on PancakeSwap. So let's take a look at the PancakeSwap. So one BNB equal to this much of token. So let's analyze their chart. So kitty's token chart. So as you can see, they are probably the worst case scenario in their token because of the supply rate. And the BNB value down, so that's the reason they probably they are down this much. And that's all for today. So thanks for watching. Make sure that you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, please do comment on the comment section. Thanks for watching.